Hey traders! Today we're talking about KuCoin, a crypto platform that could easily become your new go-to. And stick around until the end because I've got a little secret to share with you and a 300 USDT promo code waiting for you in the description. Trust me, it's worth it. KuCoin has over 20 million users worldwide, and that's no coincidence. You can trade over 700 cryptos, and the fees are super competitive, starting at just 0.1%, hard to beat. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, KuCoin has everything you need. Fast sign up, intuitive interface, and tons of tools to boost your gains like staking, futures trading, and even crypto loans. When it comes to security, KuCoin's got you covered. They've implemented top-tier systems to keep your funds safe, along with insurance to protect your assets. You can trade with peace of mind. And now, the bonus I promised. KuCoin has a trading simulator that not many people know about. It lets you test your strategies without risking a single penny. Perfect for practicing or testing new approaches stress-free. Before I wrap up, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. If you have any questions or already use KuCoin, drop a comment and let us know what you think. Now's the time.